So right, back in action on Friday against Llangefni after Saturday's great win. What's your thoughts on the game?
Well, the result was good, wasn't it? I actually thought, like, I thought we started well and then sort of let them back into the game, but then I think we obviously took over the game, and you can't argue with a 7-2, I think it was, wasn't it? Even down to 10 men a bit later on, but we thoroughly deserved to win, so yeah, can't argue with that.
And it's top versus bottom clash Friday night. We've played Llangefni once and beaten 5-0 here back in July. Do you think it'll be another tough test, or?
Obviously, let's be honest, we should be winning, but it'll be a lot harder, obviously, away. I don't think the weather's going to be great. The pitch is probably not going to be great, so obviously, yeah, I think it'll be a lot tougher test. But let's face it, we should be winning the game, and we'll go to win the game, and simple as that.
We're on a 9-game winning streak in the league as well, so confidence is at an all-time high at the minute, or is it?
Yeah, confidence is high. I think everyone's just enjoying it. I think that's the main thing. All the lads are, loving coming training and loving game days, and we have a good, good time after the games, and yeah, it's just everything at the moment is going well. So can't wait.
Yeah. And going into November, we played the two top table teams. Do you think it's vitally important we do get the 3 points?
Yeah, obviously vital to get 3 points Friday before them two, but yeah, they'll be the big games, won't they? Yeah. So obviously it's sort of, I wouldn't say whoever wins the league, but as long as we don't lose both games, then yeah, we should keep us in good stead for the league.
And lastly, Adam's on 21 goals. He's 3 off the record after 12 games. He's getting in, isn't he? He's just...
Yeah, he's on fire at the moment. Yeah, I couldn't even hit a barn door, let alone 21 goals. So he's fine at the minute and playing well as well. But Crouch up top as well. They're both very hard to handle. So yeah, attacking wise, we're flying. If we can keep a few more clean sheets, and I don't see anyone that can really stop us.